Hey folks, DJ at the Rabbit School Garage. Today we got a nice big project. We got a new exhaust for the 2008 Harley Davidson Night Train FXSTB. Yeah, I think I got that right. Anyway, yeah, I got the Vance&Hines Big Shots, and I've already got the fuel pack installed, so I'll need to redo that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this exhaust put on. Alright, before we get started, this is what the bike looks like on the stock pipes. So we want to get a good picture of that. And now we're going to go get it on the lift. Bike on now. Alright. I wanted to show you where my O2 sensor was. Most people that I've seen on the web say that it's under the seat. Not mine. Mine was underneath the oil can. Here's, let me see if I can get it. You can see the yellow there. That's the plug that it plugs into. So I've already pulled it out, and you can see this is what it looks like. So somehow I've got to figure out, I might have to reroute this to plug that back in, but that's the way it is. Now the front should be a little easier, well, considering the wire, it's right here and the wire goes down and through here. So I'll have to take this off, and then I can unplug that one, and we'll be able to take the exhaust off. Then we'll start working on the heads, getting those taken out. Yep, what is that? That is the 3/16 Allen. You know what, I'm gonna get the drill out for that. Alright, that's the 3/16. So, looks like we got two of them. I don't see any more than that. There's one. So that one was loose, kind of loose. Let's put some blue Loctite on those. Alright. Let's see. Looks like a little plastic cover. Comes down. Where's it go? Oh, right here. There we go. We'll get that zip tied on. So take my little razor knife and cut it off. I'll cut this side up. There we go. Alright, now that O2 sensor's loose. Now we're ready to disconnect the exhaust. Alright, let's go ahead and get the front done. That's like 1/2 inch socket. Yeah. Okay. That came loose pretty easy. Go ahead and get the other one off. It was a little harder to get to. Yep, I need a regular 1/2 inch, not a deep well. Okay, right there. Oh boy, we're gonna have to get a wrench on that one. 1/2 inch wrench. Can't get a socket on it, it's too close to the pipe. and at a bad angle, so I have to use a wrench on it. I wonder if the Big Shots are going to be the same. Uh-oh. Socket's getting stuck in there. Oh, the shield, he's got to get the shields off. Just like that. There's your UPS. Ha, got it. Got him. All right. We are disconnected from the motor. Now, where's my mount point here? Right there. And what's now the only thing holding it on right now is this bracket right here. So let's go ahead and get that taken off. Everything else is ready to go. Looks like I'm gonna need what is it? 9/16? Let's see. Yep, 9/16. Wow, that was loose. That was pretty loose. Come off real easy. What about you? It's a little tighter. These things are definitely getting blue Loctite. Alright, we should be disconnected. Let's find out. Oh yeah, here we go. We're off. Now we gotta take our O2 sensors off and get ready to install the new one. Ah, there. That is the back. Ah, there we go. Alright. Now, you just have to remember this is the front. That's what they look like. So that came out of the front. And that one came out of the back. Alright, we're done with this. Get it out of here. Alright, let's go ahead and get this out of the box. I'm just going to cut the whole top of it off. Alright, that's the new one. Come with a box. Now, oh, it's zip tied in. Let's have a look at these bad boys. There it is. I got the black ones. I won't scratch them. But there it goes. I got the black ones. I think they'll match up well with the bike since the bike is all blacked out. What do you guys think? Let's stop thinking about it and start putting them on. Alright. First thing is we got to put our O2 sensors back in. And this is a 2 into 1 into 2. Right here is where the center baffle is. Can't really tell that much, but it's there. So let's get our O2s back in. Get our O2 sensors put back in. Okay, got the O2 sensors back on. Alright, don't forget to take your exhaust flanges off of your old one and put them on the new pipe. There we go. Now, I didn't know it, but this comes with exhaust gaskets in the kit. So, but I bought my own, which I guess I should have read and see if it had them, but yeah, came with its own exhaust gasket. So we're ready to put this on. There's all the hardware that comes with it. Right now I just need these two, and no, we need to put this bracket on first. This bracket needs to go on. How? Where exactly does it go? And I think it goes like that on those two bolts. I think it goes like that on those two bolts that were holding on the exhaust. So let's find out. So the bracket goes on like that. With the curve coming out and to the back. So you just use your existing nuts, which are 9/16. Let me put some blue Loctite on those. And it comes out quick. Gotta be easy with it. Okay, got our bracket on. Now I guess we can put the exhaust on for real. We got to put our dog bones in here. It didn't really come with any instructions, but it looks like I'm supposed to put the dog bones in and then mount the bracket to this before I mount it to the bike. That seems to be like an easier way to do it for me, so I'm going to take that bracket back off. Yeah, let's do it that way. Oh, blue Loctite. Everything. Now, let's get this exhaust put in. Let's get this back off real quick. I know it fits. Get those old gaskets out of there. Alright, we got the old gaskets out. Put the new ones in. Where are they? Alright, the new gaskets put in. Make sure they're not. Make sure they fit in there good. snug. Make sure that they're not pinched or anything. Yeah, I'm in there all the way. Okay. Now, I gotta loosen these back up because the exhaust needs to move in and out until I get the right spot. So let's pop these back out. Oh jeez. Of course I put a little Loctite on them. I'm taking them out, I'm just loosening them so that plate can move back and forth. The exhaust can move back and forth on the plate. Like that. That way the exhaust can be pushed forward. That's a pain in the butt getting these exhaust mounted. You know, whatever you call them. So let's see if we can do this again. Alright, let's get the front one put back on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Go to the other side and do this one. It's a little easier to access over here. Use a wrench on the bottom one. Be right back. Okay, got the exhaust on, and now I'm going to tighten up these bolts that were holding the exhaust on back here. Okay, all right, now it's time for the heat shields. I had to turn the clamps around on this one, all four of them, in order to get on here properly. Okay. There it goes. Alright, there we are. We got one on. Let's go ahead and get the next one going. There it is. We got them all put on. I think they look great. I think they blend in well with the bike, which is what I was hoping for. Me personally, I don't like this Vance&Hines thing here. I wish that was not there. But I can live with it. I'll be okay, I guess. Now let's see how it sounds. There you go. That's what it sounds like. All right, there it is, folks. We got the exhaust installed. I think it sounds great. I will be taking it for a ride shortly, and I'll make a video log of that where I set up the fuel pack FP3 for it, and should be getting some more horsepower and torque out of it. So we'll see. Yeah, that's it. If you could, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel if you aren't. And if you know somebody who might like this exhaust, go ahead and share the video with them. I would appreciate it. So I will catch you all in the next one.